10 things you should be stockpiling. Who knows what craziness is going to be happening soon. I don't know. It's a free-for-all at this point. November 2024 is going to be very interesting. I'll be interested to see what happens by January. I don't know. Comment. Do you guys feel like there's something crazy going on in the air? I don't know. I just feel like the whole atmosphere is just out of kilter. All right. 10 things you should be stockpiling, plus probably a few more. But all your foods, I mean easy foods that don't take cooking, canned soups you can eat without heating up, but things like tuna, canned chicken, peanut butter, those types of things are the easiest to make without cooking in case you lose power. You really want something that's easy to grab. Peanut butter and jelly is the super, super easy one. And then of course, tuna, chicken salad, all of those you can make from your canned meats. Canned beef is also a good one. Batteries, duct tape, things that you'll need to either repair things or for your flashlights, extra batteries for your radio. Make sure you have all those. Although I will tell you, do not buy Rayovac batteries. I am so stinking mad at Rayovac. Yeah, I'm talking to you, Rayovac. I got some batteries 2 years ago and they were not expiring until 2024, till November of 2024. And they exploded over a year ago. They didn't even make it a year. I was really ticked. And then I emailed the company, nothing. They didn't get back to me. So I would not buy Rayovac batteries. The next thing is coffees and teas. You're gonna get cranky if you don't have your coffee and tea in it. So I would get something like instant coffee. I know it's not the best, but if you can't cook it, at least it's better than nothing. Canned fruits, canned vegetables, but canned fruits will give you more energy than canned vegetables will. First aid kits, so that you have your first aid supplies. I get a lot of mine at yard sales and thrift stores, so that they're super cheap. Rice, minute rice specifically, because with minute rice, if you can't cook it, at least you could soak it in water and then it would reconstitute. Yeah, I know it would be room temperature, but it would at least be edible. Bottled water. I just save my soda bottles from when we have parties and refill them with water. I find 5-gallon camping jugs at like garage sales and thrift stores, and I pick those up. They're like $1 or $2, and I fill those up. Every 6 months, I go and water my plants outside, once in the spring and once in the fall, and then that rotates my water. Soap, hygiene items, toothpaste, toothbrushes, dental floss. You're going to want to be taking care of your teeth so you don't have to go to the dentist. Flashlights, other easy foods like crackers, granola bars. Now, those things are going to go bad quicker than some other foods, but it's good to have those foods handy and in stock, like your instant oatmeals, your regular oatmeals. Yeah, your grains are going to go bad quicker, but have them on hand and just keep using them. My stockpile is not a stockpile that I don't use. It's my grocery store that I use every single day. I go in every single day and use my stockpile. This video is brought to you by our Dining on a Dime cookbook, guys. It is on sale right now in the description below. You can save money on your grocery bill with easy recipes your family will love, and you will not be spending a long time in the kitchen. I spend 15 to 20 minutes cooking dinner every night, and that's about it. I don't have the energy to do more than that. So we hardly ever eat out because my recipes are so quick and easy that it's actually faster to cook at home than to go sit through the drive-thru. So check out our Dining on a Dime cookbooks in the description below. The next thing is easy foods like beef jerky and cereals. Once again, these aren't going to keep forever, but they will be really handy in an emergency situation if you need a quick meal that you don't have to cook. Don't underestimate cereal. Cereal will last 2 years, maybe 3 years past the expiration date. I've had boxes of cereal that I opened that were 2 years old that I didn't realize got shoved in the back, and they were just fine. You're not going to get food poisoning. It may taste a little off, and if it does, just don't eat it. It's fine. If you guys want more ideas, please check out our Stockpile ebook. It is totally free. In the description below, you can go grab that and get more ideas on how to get your stockpile built up. Go check out this video next, and we will see you guys next time, livingonadime.com.